Hello everybody, this is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, I just give you a special thank you. And if you are new here, well, why don't you consider subscribing? Today we are going to look at some friend mail. Yeah, I've got some that's been sitting here that needs to be opened up. And this here is from Leslie Was, and she has a channel. She has a very interesting channel. If you like decorating your dining room, kitchen, screened-in porches and things like that, she does beautiful displays of her home. And she has some pet squirrels, and of course she's got, I think she has a dog or two, but she's got these little squirrels that come up for treats, and she'll show that every once in a while. And she sent me a little happy hello. So this is an Easter card. Oh, thank you, Leslie. It says, Vicky and family and pups. To someone so nice to know, have a wonderful Easter. Happy Easter. Thank you for supporting my channel. XO Leslie. Well, Leslie, thank you. That's very sweet. And look at that cute little bunny rabbit on there. Just a sweet little card. We did the Easter eggs and basket collaboration, and we did the fairy garden party collaboration. And it was so much fun, and she's so creative. If you haven't seen those videos, I would recommend going and taking a look. Like I said, very creative, and she does beautiful, beautiful designs and creative works with her decorating. Thank you, Leslie. Love you, and I really appreciate that. Thank you for thinking of me. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter too. And I have another card, and this here is from Nancy Rounds, and I just picked these up today, so I was running late, I guess, with my mailbox going to pick up stuff, but these were there. I've got some puppies playing over there, and she's got it all decorated with Easter eggs and stickers. So I'm assuming this is an Easter card, and I know we're past Easter, but it's never too late to open up mail. Ah, happy Easter. And then she's got it decorated again with the little bunny stickers on the inside. Hi, Miss Jackie. It's been so much fun getting to know you on YouTube. Thank you for all your support. I hope you and your family have a happy Easter. XOXO Nancy. Well, thank you, Nancy. And guys, if you haven't gone to see Nancy's channel, she has a channel as well. She premieres a lot of unboxings, beauty, some clothes, like workout clothes and things like that, that are like, I guess, yoga style, some really cute outfits. But she also does wine, coffee, snacks. It's kind of like a sip and taste, and she tells you so much detail about the wines that she's drinking, and she features all kinds of wines, not just one kind. She does the sweets, the reds, and the rosés, and she can tell you the notes that are in them, and if they're smooth or sweet, too dry, whatever. She really is good at it, and I always call her channel like a show. It's like watching a review show on drinking, different kinds of wines, and then she'll feature different kinds of snacks with her wines and desserts. Of course, she does, some BoxyCharm, Ipsy, and some of the other beauty boxes. She does VineOh, and I do VineOh. So we have some things that are in common, but we have a lot of things that are a little bit different, which is nice to go and find new content and to find new channels that you like. So head on over to see Nancy. Now my next one is from Wendy Jean, and this too looks like a little Easter egg card. And Wendy Jean has a channel as well, and hers is called Unboxing with Wendy Jean. And Wendy Jean and I have been together starting off with this YouTube real close. I don't know, I think she started ahead of me. I don't even know. We might have started the exact same time. But we have been friends for practically the whole time we've both been on YouTube, and she's become such a great friend. But she has a lot of unboxings too, and she does different kinds. She'll do some similar to mine, but she does others, like she did Face Tory, which is a mask type unboxing. She introduced me to Goldie Boxed, and so she knows a lot about Goldie Boxed. So if you ever want to know like more history on Goldie Boxed and Jessica and how that all got started, I would recommend her channel for that information. And of course, she unboxes some decorative box. She just recently did the Hope box. I've done several collabs with Wendy Jean, and one of them was the Easter new subscription golden box hunt, and that one was a lot of fun, and she showed us the Hope box. And if you want to know more about that subscription, just pop over to her channel and you'll be able to find out. But I would highly recommend Wendy too. Let me show you what the card says. Everything's fresh, everything's new, everything's blooming. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like an iris. That is so pretty. And then it could be a poppy, I'm not real sure, but it's just beautiful. I love the purple flowers with the yellow. And she says, spring is a happy reminder of everything good, like knowing you. Happy Easter. Blessings, Wendy Jean. Thank you, Wendy. That was really sweet. I love that. And like I said, Wendy also introduced me to a hand mask by, I can't think of the brand name. But she sent me a hand mask, and that's how I found out about how good they were. So she's got a lot of knowledge in some of the masks too that she uses and that she shows. She does one subscription that gets like bath bombs and bath, oils and lotions and everything. So just go check her out. I'm sure you'll just love her. And this was my friend mail. And then Friday, when I went to go pick up some of this mail, I didn't know I had mail. I went and checked, and I had a couple of box packages, and this was one of them. And I knew I was expecting packages for review from some companies that's contacted me that is sending me their product for review. And so when I got home, I just set them aside because I figured that's what they were. And I didn't really think too much about it. And then later on that evening, I got to wondering why the one box didn't have who it was from. I mean, this just says to Miss Jackie Russell, but it didn't have any other information on it, so I didn't know what it was. So I opened it up, and I found some papers in there. And this package, you guys, was sent from Bonnie with Bonnie's Bargains. Can you believe this? She said, a gift for you, just a small birthday surprise. Surprise! Yeah, I was surprised, all right. We'll be thinking of you on April 22nd from Bonnie. And isn't that just so sweet that she sent that to me? I'm trying to cover up her last name because I don't know that she has that exposed on the internet. There's that little note. So here I thought I had a gift, like from a company that I'm going to do a review on. They're sending it to me, and then I'm going to show it to you all. And I have several that I'm going to be doing whenever I can fit them into my schedule. But let's see what Miss Bonnie sent me for my birthday. And guys, I'm opening this up a little bit early. My birthday's the 22nd, and she sent me this hand cream gift set. Wow, isn't that nice? I'm gonna have to open it up. It's totally like wrapped up. And I don't know if that's how many tubes it's gonna be in there. Looks like it's got some explanations. Thank you, Bonnie. Now, you guys, if you're looking for a bargain, and I'm talking about all kinds of bargains, not just Dollar Tree. I'm talking about, she does the morning show, she does Amazon, Walmart. She's got a couple little shops in her town that have like really nice antique things. That's got also some great bargains. She just finds bargains all over the place. So if you are wanting to know about bargains and find out what she gets, because she finds stuff that's like, I'm talking about $150 item package deals that she finds for $10. Just amazing. And she shares it on her YouTube channel. And she does a lot of giveaways too. And a very generous person. She's my new friend as far as we've recently made friends. And I was her new friend in one of her collaborations. I think it was called New Friend Collaboration. And she chose me, and I was so honored, and thank you very much, Bonnie. I really appreciate that. I was just really surprised because I had no idea until, of course, she asked me. And I knew we were just new friends, literally, so it came at a good time. But also, during that time, we had done some other collaborations. She joined in with our Fairy Garden Party collaboration. And again, we had so much fun with that, and we had Leslie Waz with that too. So go and check out those fairy garden videos. They're probably a month old now, but our creations, everyone's creations of their fairy gardens were just outstanding. It's a video that's worth watching, and if you're looking at maybe dressing up a fairy garden, you might get some good ideas. But we've been in that collaboration together, and then Stephanie invited us both to the Easter eggs and basket collaboration. So we've done a couple of collaborations. We'll probably do some more in the future. But right now, let's see what she sent me. Look at this, guys. Wow. I don't want it to fall out on my computer. Look at all those lotions. They're all different kinds. Geranium. I can't pronounce some of the words. I'm terrible. I don't know what that is. I don't even know how to begin to say that particular kind. And there's cherry blossom, there's camille, there's gardenia, lavender, jasmine, rose. Wow, there's just so many. And it looks like there might be, let's see what this is. Is this a lip? Ooh, there's a lip gloss. Look at that. That's a nice color. That'll go good. It's got a light scent. Oh, Bonnie, thank you. This is so unexpected. This is totally unexpected. I just cannot believe this. And looky here, this is a balm. And it's lemon. Oh my goodness. Look at that packaging for the bright yellow. Thank you, Bonnie. I appreciate you thinking of me on my birthday. Now, you guys, I know y'all don't know my birthday. And the reason Bonnie knows is that Bonnie celebrates a birthday in April too. And hers is April 10th, and it just happens to be the same day as my grandson who turned 9, Lucas, on April 10th. And when she said she was having a birthday on April 10th, I thought, well, wow. And I messenger and I go, oh, wow, we're both born in April. My birthday's on the 22nd. I never gave it a second thought after that. But apparently Miss Bonnie, this is just how nice she is. This is just how sweet she is. She thought, I'm going to surprise her and I'm going to send her a birthday present. And by golly, she did. She surprised me. And I really appreciate it. I love surprises, don't you? This is so much fun. Thank you, Bonnie. I just really, really appreciate you. And again, guys, another lady that if you don't know her, you need to go over and check out her channel. I highly, highly recommend it. She is just a wonderful, nice person, as all these ladies are. So I want to say a special thank you to Bonnie, to Nancy, to Leslie, and to Wendy. Thank you all for sending me these lovely Easter cards, and I hope you all had a wonderful Easter as well. And I have one more thing I want to show you guys. I had some points saved up with my Beachly. They call them sun dollars, and I got my package. And I got $25 sun dollars. So I usually don't buy add-ons there because they send out some pretty nice things as it is. But since I had 25 sun dollars, I got me 2 t-shirts for the price of 1. And I want to show them to you. Oh, and it looks like I bought me some more Glow granola. This stuff was pretty good. I don't know if you've tried this brand, but it's really good, and they had it on their site for like 99 cents. So I bought me another one of those. I bought me 2 t-shirts. This blue one that says beach every day, and that it's just like cotton, but it kind of looks like denim. But it's not a denim, but it looks like it, and I just love that, and I think that color will go good with me. And we're not going to Cozumel after all. Our hotel that we had reserved is not going to be open. We were scheduled to be there for their grand opening, and it was at the Dreams Cozumel, and it's not going to open. So our travel agent called us, and we decided to change completely because there really wasn't any newer type hotels, maybe with the same type quality there. And so we are going to the Riviera Maya, and we're going to be staying at the El Dorado Seaside Oceanfront Suites. So we're going to actually, I think, have a better view. I'm not certain, because the other one's not up yet. We had an ocean view for that one too. But we are going to the Riviera Maya now, which is not too far from Cozumel. But you guys, this is the other t-shirt that I got, Sea Breeze and Palm Trees. And you can tell they're all short sleeve like tank top. I am not a typical t-shirt wearer. I like tank tops and spaghetti strap tops in the summer. I hate to be hot. I love the sun, I love the heat, and I'd pick it over the cold any day. But I am the type of person that likes to wear tank tops or very short sleeve like this. Either this in the summer, spring, summer, or in the fall and the winter. Now I do wear sleeves because it's cold. I mean, I'm not an idiot when it comes to being warm, but I just am more of a short sleeve or tank top type of girl when it comes to summer wear for most of my casual wear, I guess you'd say. But I got both those t-shirts for $25 because I had my $25 to go toward the other one, and it was free shipping. And so I feel like I got a really good deal because with tax and everything it was $27 for 2 t-shirts, and then I got my granola. But I want to thank all the ladies that sent me happy Easter greetings. We did have a wonderful Easter. And then I want to thank Miss Bonnie for sending me my birthday present that was totally surprised and totally unexpected and very nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I love all these ladies. They all have wonderful channels. I'm going to have their links down in the bottom, so be sure and go check out each and every one of them. And as for today, that's all I have for my friend mail and my little bit of Beachly add-ons. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.